The messages were explosive, intimate, damning. They painted a picture of a relationship that shocked a nation. Prophet W Magaya, a man revered by millions, was caught in a web of his own making. The woman at the center of the storm, Elaine, a figure shrouded in mystery and controversy. Leaked messages from Elaine's phone revealed a shocking truth. Magaya, a man who preached morality and righteousness, was entangled in an alleged affair. The messages, filled with suggestive language and terms of endearment, left little to the imagination. The scandal spread like wildfire. Magaya, known to his followers as the Prophet, had built an empire on faith and miracles. Now that empire teetered on the brink of collapse. The very foundation of his ministry, his moral authority, lay shattered. The public watched with bated breath. Would their prophet admit his sins? Would he seek forgiveness? Or would he, like so many powerful men before him, deny and deflect? The nation waited for answers. Elaine was an enigma, a woman who seemed to move effortlessly in circles of power, yet remained shrouded in secrecy. Her past was a tangled web of connections to influential figures, none more controversial than former State Security Minister Owen Mudar and Cube. Their relationship was tumultuous, marked by whispers of power struggles and hidden agendas. Some claimed Elaine was a pawn in Ncube's political games, while others believed she was the one pulling the strings. Adding fuel to the fire was Elaine's current living situation. She resided quite comfortably at Yoda Hotel, a luxurious establishment owned by none other than Prophet Magaya. The irony was not lost on the public. The plot thickened. How did Elaine navigate these relationships with such powerful men? Was she a master manipulator, or was she a victim of circumstance? One thing was certain: Elaine's role in this scandal was far from straightforward. Prophet Magaya's world was imploding. The scandal, fueled by the relentless media and a public hungry for answers, threatened to destroy everything he had built. His once unwavering followers now grappled with doubt and disillusionment. How could their prophet, the man who claimed to channel the word of God, be capable of such transgressions? The cognitive dissonance was deafening. Some clung desperately to their faith, rationalizing the allegations as fabrications spread by Magaya's enemies. Others, however, felt betrayed. The very foundation of their belief system, the unwavering trust in their leader, had been shaken to its core. Magaya's silence only amplified their anxieties. The future of his ministry, once a beacon of hope for millions, now hung precariously in the balance. The scandal had exposed the fragility of faith, the ease with which trust could be shattered. The question remained: could Magaya's empire survive this storm? Days turned into weeks, and still, silence emanated from the pulpit. Prophet Magaya, once a ubiquitous presence in the media, had retreated into the shadows. His absence spoke volumes. The lack of denial, of explanation, only fueled the flames of speculation. His followers, once united by their shared faith, were now fractured. Confusion reigned. Some demanded answers, their anger palpable. Others retreated into silent prayer, seeking divine guidance in the face of uncertainty. The once packed pews of Magaya's church stood noticeably emptier. The scandal had cast a long shadow, leaving many to question the authenticity of their prophet's teachings. The silence was deafening. It spoke of fear, of guilt, of a desperate attempt to weather the storm. But for how long could this silence be maintained, and at what cost?